Hey guys, wanna know how to add indicators in MetaTrader 4? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first up, simply open up your MetaTrader application first. Now once you've opened the application, make sure you are in the candles chart right here. Now once you're there, on top you can see this small F-like icon. This is your indicator. Just simply click on it. Now just simply click on main chart, or right here you can see indicator plus icon. Click on it and now you can choose what type of indicator you want to add. For me, let's say it's moving average. Just simply click on it and now you can also customize it. Maybe change its color, style, methods and so on. And once you're done, just simply select done. And there you have it. Right here you can see your moving average has been successfully added. Now go back and right here you can see the indicator has been successfully added. This red line is your moving indicator right here. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.